Listen, I'm live for another time. It's gonna be a pretty long stream today. I'm pretty sure. All right. Now I got my live here. It is working on TikTok. I'm recording here as well. I think we're gonna have a pretty good live today. Pretty good live today. Today we need to build an app for my role at Bloom. Right. So I'm trying to basically set goals for myself and gamify what I do here at Bloom. And all of you are going to watch it, and hopefully it's going to be a good app because I will use about 6 hours on today's app. I'm pretty sure it's going to be like a little long stream today, but we'll keep it going. We'll keep it going, and hopefully you guys can also hear the music and everything. It's sounding good. The mic is there. I mean, listen, I just got a haircut as well. So wait, let's get into it now. All right, let's get into it. Now I know the ticker is kind of moving slow today. God damn. Do I have to have some patience or something? God, shit. Okay, but let's get into it. Let's actually get into it. Okay. First, I do want to plan out with a GBT. Okay, and I'm not too sure how I can build this one. So I need a plan and I need to brainstorm with the AI. That's very important right now. So it's gonna be I think it's gonna take a bit of time for this app. I'm pretty sure. So let me just go back to my little what's it called? My little stand up because I need to see what the app needs to contain. Because I think this one is gonna be a pretty big app, and I need to use some other APIs as well to actually be able to track my own socials and official socials, other socials basically. So yeah, it's gonna be challenging today. Usually I do build AI apps and all those kind of apps, but this one is kind of this one is a bit more complex than what we usually do on stream. So let's get into it. And yes, I do have the phone right here, so you guys can follow along. Actually, you cannot follow along on my TikTok. I gotta fix that. This is another thing about new fans on Let's View, but hey, it's the only tool to really show my phone here. Okay, now do I remove it to the side here so it's better for you guys? Yes, I do. I do. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Got a haircut too, so we ready today, man. We ready today. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. I gotta go to my TikTok too. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. It's a bit of a messy start, man. Well, every start to the stream is kind of messy. I'm not gonna lie, but hey, let's get into it. Okay. Okay. How should I start the prompt, man? My plan was just to brain dump everything into the AI, and then the AI can figure it out itself. It can do some own planning of its own, and then I can see what we need to change or if we're gonna execute right away. So let me yeah, let's get into it. Let's actually get into it. No more talk. No more talking. I want to build an app that basically gamifies my role at Bloom. So currently, I am really focused on streaming and making sure that we kind of get out there and grow the community on Discord. But besides that, I also need an app that can also track socials. And I'm talking about socials on LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all the social media, so that I can see how we're doing on social media. And the app should also have a section where I can add my own goals, such as getting 50 signups or getting 100 signups or getting X amount of views. And then we should have a graph that shows the progression, a 7-day progression. No, a 1-month progression. Do you understand what I mean? Can you create me a plan for it, and then we can work from the plan itself? Okay, this was a bit of a messy prompt. I know, bit of a messy prompt, but the app itself is not straight to it. Let me tell you guys that it's not straight to it. So let's first see what the AI gives me, and afterwards we can continue from there. Okay. Yo, how? What up, man? What up? What up? Yo, why? What up, big man? Your name is Alex, bro. I will never remember that shit because it's too hard, man. Want to make the new social media app? What do you mean? What do you mean, Alex? No. Listen. Today it's not about a social media app, not at all. Yo, what up, big man? Welcome. What? Whoa, 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 whoa! How can they see? Oh, I mean, what's the issue though? What's the issue though? Oh my god, it's the comments. Oh my days. How can I even remove it though? I mean, it's a thing with restream, man. It's a thing with restream. Hold up a minute. Hold up. I mean, at least we don't have a lot of motion on TikTok right now, so that should be good. So I got like a few minutes before we should continue. No, it's good now. It's good now. So it's still at the bottom corner. Where else can I place it? Like I can't. That's the thing. I can't show my stream. I can't show the other things because it's a fixed layout. But I think this is better now. This is just needed a comment. I'm not even too sure if they're still here. But hey, let's get back into it. VSM, is that you again? Is that you again? Listen, I know. Listen, just because you don't have enough funds for it, it's all right, man. Nobody got to be salty about it, though. You know what I'm saying? Come on now, VSM. Come on now. What's the AI? This is Bloom.diy. BLOOM.diy. What tech you use an IDE? This is not an IDE, man. This is software to build full stack native apps. Now, cool dog. I know you be in the YouTube, big man. So, big man, what's the reason for leaving TikTok, man? Like, shit. I know TikTok is kind of funky at times. You know what I'm saying? But still, that's crazy. Moo. This is Bloom.diy. I cannot, guys. I cannot show it in the stream. I cannot like just pull out a paper and show you guys. And I cannot type it in the chat. Okay, BLOOM.diy. Like I'm trying to be like, yo, TikTok. I'm trying to be friendly today. Let me tell that. Bloom is pretty expensive. Got any tips for using the limits better? Yes, you can use the lesser expensive models such as okay, hold on. I mean, we were like you could use Gemini once, like Gemini 3.1 Pro, but now you can. We took it away. You could use 5.4. You could also use Sonnet or Minimax. But I mean, it is honestly, it is expensive to build. I mean, you are using AI to build universal apps, and it is expensive. You know, it's a lot of resources. So, hey, how can I get in contact with you? I wanted to ask you something, big man. What do you want to ask me about? Like, you can join the community here in Discord. You can DM me. You can. That's a lot of ways, big man. That's a lot of ways. Yo, Val, I appreciate the follow, man. Which side can I make new app, bro? Alex, you listen. You've been in this stream for months, big man. Okay, maybe weeks. I'm pretty sure months. You know I'm using Bloom. Come on now. How you doing, boss? Bro, boss, I'm doing good, big man. Like today was a pretty busy day. I ran to my barber today because the bus was late, you know. So I ran to the barber, bro. Man, it was like, god damn, it was a long run, bro. Like a kilometer. I need to run fast through the city, man. Never again. Like that's the last time. And their store, appreciate everybody, man. Bro, I built right now Expo, but Play Store. What is that? Wretched. What does that mean, big man? I'm not too sure what that means, big man. Can you rephrase that, Moo? You noticed the fresh cut? Hey, I appreciate that. Hey, come on now. You was just here for the vibe. What do you mean you're here for the vibe, man? You could see that I'm building. You know what I'm saying? Okay, enough talk. Let me get into it. Like I could update the ESLint plugin right now. Like, nah, I don't think we gotta do that right now. Right now, we gotta think about the whole app itself. Okay. Wow, it has never loaded for me like this. Whoa. It has never loaded for me like loading the files. It's never done this before. Whoa, this is the first time. Hold up a minute. Like even I am flabbergasted right now. Let me tell you guys that right now. Okay. No. Okay, let's while we wait for this one, I actually gotta report this. I'm not gonna do it on stream. This takes a bit like making me unconcentrated, you know. So first, let me just create another app. Let me just use GPT, okay? Like Opus, I mean, and we'll see if it's something with Bloom or something with like model or something. Cause what? Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Okay, let's get back to it. It was just me being kind of a bit impatient about this one. Okay, let's get back to it. Rejected, verify. Moo, what do you mean rejected, verify, man? Nah, I'm not too sure. You listen, Moo. You gotta think about this one. You look at a guy who only vibe codes on Bloom. That's the thing. Let me tell that right now, Moo. You know, Can Bloom do 3D animation on websites or apps? Well, Chucky, 3D animation. Like I did try to create like we can see we can see today we can see. I mean, if you just stay here for like a bit of time, we can maybe get into the animations of the whole app and then go on from there. And after I've done the planning, I will also go live on Discord. So for the people that join the Discord, trust me, you guys will get a blast. Because hey, a 6-7 hour stream today. Who knows? Who knows? It's gonna be a long one today. Like it's Friday. Everybody's like getting home. They want to watch their phone, their TikTok, their social media. So hey, come on now. What's the app today? Bice. This is the app today. Look at this. So the goal of the app is to create a personal growth dashboard that gamifies the user's Bloom role. So basically me, right? Streaming consistency, Discord community growth, social media performance, and custom goals like signups or views. Now, I'm not too sure if this is supposed to be custom goals, but we can see. We can see. We can see. And the product vision. The app should feel like a mission controlled dashboard plus a lightweight game. The user can log activity, track outcomes, see 1 month progress, and earn momentum through streaks, points, badges, and completed goals. Man, it should be like shit. It should be like listen. What's the money? No, what's the money? I know you guys know what I'm talking about. What is Bloom? We build full stack native apps, universal apps, baby. That's what we do. Yo, Movies. No shit, that's wrong guy. Luke, what up, baby? Welcome. Knowles, bro. Yeah. Let me just get into it. The core sections, we got the daily mission, the home. Now, I know I want to make I know I want to make my little app gamified, okay, for my own role at Bloom, but a daily mission dashboard? So I guess the daily mission should be like related to the goals, right? Yeah, okay, that does make sense. The streaming tracker. Now the streaming tracker, I'm not like, how am I supposed to stream? Like to do this automatically? You can't do it with the TikTok API. You gotta get like access to it. So I gotta find a way to do it. Discord community tracker. I can add like a bot to the community. Even use the own bot that I built right now, and then I can track the growth. Man, I'm getting out there today. Just use Claude Code will be easier. Corin, bro. Corin, are you a technical guy? Like, answer the question in the chat. Are you a technical guy? Goal system? Oh, I mean, the goal system should kind of relate to the home slash daily mission dashboard, right? A 1 month progress graph. Now, the graph I want to be somehow dynamic. So we'll see how it looks. We'll see how it's going to look, okay? The gamification layer. So add points for logging activity, completing streams, posting content, growing Discord, and reaching goals. Okay, I like this one. Honestly, I like this one. Like, I like it. Now, I'm not going to read through all of this, okay? Because we'll just like tackle along the way. Because really do this is going to take a lot of time. And I don't got a lot of time today. 6 hours or 7 hours to build an app. It's not a lot. Let me tell you guys that right now. Continue to build the app and follow the plan that you created for me. Okay. Let's get into it. It's gonna be a long shoot. I just know it. I just know it's gonna be a good one today, man. And your bias, I appreciate the little gift, man. I didn't see it. Man, this guy in the chat, I asked you if you were technical, and then you be answering me integrated plus Claude Code. Bro, listen, I ain't trying to crash out the first part of the stream. I'm not gonna lie, I'm trying to keep it like chill. I gotta get you out my chat, man. Come on now, like you gotta get out my chat, man. Come on now. Gamification recently integrated very often. Well, look, it's gonna make the whole. It's gonna make what the. It's gonna make the whole. It's making the app for you, and for me, this is like an app for my own role at Bloom, so it's gonna be more fun. Okay. It's gonna. Oh my god, I gotta build with GVT. Are you kidding me? No, wait. Maybe if I just choose Opus Medium instead, would that work? Hold up, everybody in the chat. Hold up a minute. I'm trying to I'm trying to see if it's gonna build or not. It's thinking. Okay, boom. There we go. There we go. So I don't know what is happening with the what's called with the high and the fast mode. I'm not too sure what is happening. So hey, medium should be good. Medium should be good. He finally got a haircut. Man, it took me like a few took like a few days, man. I'm not gonna lie. I know, I know. I said last week that I would get it Friday. I just didn't get it, you know, like I was too man, I couldn't be bothered to walk out my home, man. Come on now. Yo, Ilias, I appreciate the follow. By the way, why the preview? By the way, why is the preview on the chat history? What do you mean? Oh my god, yo, am I? Oh, are you talking? Oh, you're talking about this one? Okay, I forgot to remove it because I just gotta put it right here, and then we can actually get into the app. Okay, like that was the plan. I forgot to do it. I'm sorry. My apologies for that. Now try local AI. They got really good quantized ones, especially. What do you mean, Luke? Luke, hold up, Luke. Listen, I know you've been in the stream like 5 times, at least 5 times. You know, I ain't gonna go out my way and use any other AI besides the ones that I already use. Bloom, Stitch, sometimes Claude Design, you know, but Claude Design is I'll be hitting my limits like right away. So like I don't know about that one, but hey, come on now, you know it though, you know. AHN, I appreciate the follows, man. Hey, everybody, come on now. Daily mission, I hear the slump. Whoa, what do you mean you hear the slump? Listen, you gotta make it more fun at your job. You know what I'm saying? I mean, honestly though, it doesn't feel like a job because every single day I just be getting here, I just be like streaming and doing what I really like, you know, like it's a whole ass passion doing this thing, like entertaining people and making sure that we kind of grow. That's like a whole ass like it's fun to do. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of fun to do, you know. Hey, did you hear about Claude doubled everyone's credits yesterday till July? No, I've not heard about that. See, if I was on Twitter the last few days, I would have probably seen it. But man, I've been exhausted, bro. Like, listen. I got enough energy, okay, to be making a few videos and then streaming and then just like, yeah, that's the thing, right? That's the thing. And also sometimes community is also fun, but oh, you really gotta keep the professionalism sometimes when it comes to a few people. You know what I'm saying? But luckily, like this ain't anything official, so it's like who's gonna care about it? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, my dog be taking my time too. Like I'm talking about my sleeping time. Okay, so luckily my girlfriend's gonna like she's taking over it. But still, oh my god, when they want to piss at night, but it's only gonna be a phase for about a month, and then they will like have a bigger bladder, and then we don't have to really think about walking at night. Well, I just be sleeping, but still, I'm a light sleeper though. I'm a light sleeper, man. What are you doing? Listen, Betito, man, I'm building a gamified app for myself right now, and I got a little bit of a problem. The problem is it's not done yet. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I got 6 or 7 hours for this, you know. I still max out proper designs on there. Take me 2 weeks. Oh my god. Yo, Vice. 2 weeks. God damn. I love your vibe. Double entered. Whoa. Yo, Mike, what does that mean? I don't think my English, my what is it called? My vocabulary reaches that far, man. What does that mean? Double entendre? Shit, that's like a whole nother word in my mind, man, in my book. Come on now, guess who's driving back home? What happened, bro? Yo, Dad, what happened, man? Was it something like was it related to them or was it related to you just wanting to get back to the grind? Like, what's the thing? What's the thing? Let me know. Let me know. Appreciate the follow, man. What is it? I'm an engineer. Petito, you're an engineer. And listen, you might be a fan of this or you might not be a fan of it. But let me tell you this. You probably know Vibe, Codab, Bold, Rourke. What else? Not Base 44. Do they even build? Man, I really got to do my due diligence, man. That is what we do, man. We build full stack native apps, universal apps, back end, front end, everything, baby. Yo, Mike, with the money gun in the chat, man. Hey, I appreciate that shit, man. Come on now. Listen, I'm too slow. I know I'm kind of slow right now. Come on now. Did you finish the Poppy app? No. Like, I didn't know we had so many issues on the phone, so I didn't finish it, but I will do it offline. Like, it's been 3 days building the other one, so I think it's time to like move on, you know. And also, I gotta finish this one actually, like before next week. Actually, today, like I just gotta get a V1 out today and send it to the team, and then we can go on from there, you know. But I gotta figure out what APIs to use and also what goals to set. I mean, I don't want to set too big of a goal, like too ambitious goals. That's the thing, okay? Because it varies a lot on the stream. So I need to do a little calculation on this. You know, did the puppy app already got some users? Unk? Whoa, no, list, bro. I didn't even finish it, man. I gotta finish it offline. You know, never heard that before. Same vocab. Shit, bias. I don't know, like Antandre or something. That is out of my league, man. Like maybe the team at Bloom, they kind of understand what it means, you know, like shit, their kind of articulation, bro, they articulate insanely, okay? Like they're like Harry Potter kind of articulation, you know what I'm saying? Come on out, like thus, do people get the reference, man? Come on now, Mike, appreciate the follow, man. Now some came up with me, friends, family. Oh, shit. Hey, but at least you did, you did. I guess you did enjoy it for like 1 day or something, right? But damn, driving all the way from the Netherlands to Au- Austria. Austria. Yeah, Austria, right? That's a long way, big man. That's a long way. Petito, what do you mean I am? Like what's the what are you talking about? What are you talking about? You get paid good creating apps? Well, big man, I get paid for what you're watching right now. Let me just tell you that. And also, is it me or is this like am I just kind of impatient waiting for this one? Nah, I don't know. It's been like 21 minutes, man. Did enjoy the night for sure. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, listen, we're trying to keep it chill in the chat today, okay? Petito, man, I appreciate the follow, big man. But what do you mean? So first off, you said you were an engineer, and then you said I am. So am I missing something today? You know, am I missing something today? Come on now. What is the app you're building about? One, the app that I'm building is basically an app about my own role here at Bloom. So I'm trying to gamify what I do at Bloom, right? So specific goals, tracking social media. Yeah, basically like a gamified, like imagine you got a gamified fitness app, right? It's the same thing that I'm doing here, you know? I was replaying something you said earlier. I forgot. Oh shit, Petito. But anyways, big man. So what you're looking at is that this is Bloom, and we build universal apps, web apps, iOS apps, Android apps. Okay, whoa. I got a restriction. I got a restriction. Whoa. What did we do? Hold up a minute. Oh, okay. Yo, Dot, if you're in the chat right now, let me tell you one thing. I can't even say it. Okay. I haven't done anything like that. I am just chilling with the people in the stream and building mobile apps. Like this is super strict, man. I can't even lie. This is like this is super strict. Like what I gotta do, man. What I gotta do. Yo, Andrex, what up, baby? Welcome. Appreciate the follow too. Man, can you help me with my app? Solomon, what kind of app do you have and where do you build it? I mean, what kind of help do you need? Tell me first, all right? Because if it's something relating to coding, if it's something relating to getting into the App Store, Play Store, shit, that's a lot. That's a lot, big man. Let me know. Damn. Like, listen, it was a good one. This one was a good one as well. And then we messed it up. Oh, okay. Hopefully we can keep it going though. We can keep it going. Okay. So nobody right now can really give me anything in the chat in the TikTok. Okay, and that is due to some lingo. Okay, due to some lingo. We gotta keep this like child friendly. Okay, Okay. So hey, gotta chill a little bit. Yo, Levin, what up, big man? Welcome. I just saw you join. And if you're wondering why I kind of fell down again, like just at the start here, lingo is the language, okay? Lamau, did someone? Yes, bro. Yes, somebody legit did it, man. Yes, we do have a Discord. Now, Petito, bro. Petito, listen, I cannot send it in the chat. That's a problem. And I cannot have a bot writing it in the chat because, man, I'm gonna get banned for that. No. I can't take a chance. But, instead of, okay, you write this in your browser. We need to make the Discord actually like public, man. Like, what are we even? Why is it private actually? Why is it private? Okay, big man, if you go to your browser right now, you search for discord.gg slash Bloom Labs. BLOM dot, no, not dot, LABS. You'll be able to join the server. Now I gotta make sure we can actually no, should I do it while I have this restriction? Yes, I should. I actually should. Hmm, where is it? Roles, invites, access. So what's the reason for us not being on discoverable? I don't understand it, man. Like, let's just change it. Because we're fewer than 1,000 members. Okay, okay, that's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Okay, listen. In a few, in maybe next week, when we've grown this to like 1,000 community members, I can set it to discoverable on the Discord. So hey, we are going to grow it for sure. Will you mind teaching me, bro? What do you mean, Rice? Like, what do you need teaching, man? Like, what kind of teaching? Like, how to build an app on Bloom? How to create videos? Like, what do you want help with, big man? Did you finish the app for new dog owners? No, Levin, no. Yesterday, like, listen, the mobile stuff took years to finish. Okay, like it took me three, yeah, like 3 to 5 prompts to fix it. That took a bit of time. So I just gotta do it offline. I mean, there's only like a bit more that I gotta do, add a paywall behind it, and then actually add like a little policy thing, like a TOS thing as well, and then we can actually publish it and yeah, grow it. Hopefully. And I can also use it myself on my own dogs. App development, yes, right, bro. For sure I can. Now, listen, are you a techie person? Like, do you know how to code yourself, are you like new? You're non-techie, man. Because if you're non-techie like me, for sure I can teach you, man. But if you're a technical person, there's only so much that I can teach. And also yesterday, a funny story, man. Like a weird story, a funny story is that I like listen, I filled this up with water, right, for the stream yesterday, and I didn't drink any of it. That's crazy. I'm not like, whoa, what do you mean? Like, okay, listen. So, do you know how to create apps though? If you don't, you're like me, guys. Hey, I don't know how to do it too, but I know how to actually do it on Bloom, only on Bloom though. So hey, listen. If you never touched app development before, let me let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it, all right? But let me tell you this one thing, big man. Let me tell you this one thing. Now, I'm currently just waiting for a few things. Okay, I just need to wait for the restriction to go through, and afterwards we can actually continue to I can showcase you more. Okay. The problem is, the problem is, somebody said in my chat, somebody said in my chat that I was asking for the gift. That is crazy. That is crazy. Okay, like what? I said thank you. I said thank you. That is ridiculous, bro. You got like yo doubt. You got like 600 or something, man. Let me know. I low-key never see you drinking. I just noticed you must be dehydrated. No, I swear I drink a lot, man. Take a look at this. I do drink a lot. I do. And also give me like 4 minutes, man. I got 4 minutes left, 3 minutes now. So and then we can actually get into it, okay? Like two problems, man. Shit, that what did I say? I said 600 or something. Hey, that is crazy, big man. That is crazy. Like, but like, why are people not getting access to it now? Are you waiting to like announce it or something? Send them their email or something. That is crazy, though. That is crazy. I might do it for my own dog app as well. Now, okay, hold up. If I reload it now, is it gonna show me? Okay, I know the authentication is looking real bad. I know. We will fix this one, okay? I swear we will fix this one. It's taking way too long. How long has it been? Like a week? Like 5 days or something? Hmm. Why you live very early? Because today is gonna be a long live, man. Like I was just ready to go live super early. No, the auth doesn't work straight away, which is kind of, is this the same thing? Nope, this is not the one. This is not the one. Okay. I can't seem to sign in or sign up to the app. What could the problem be? And I also got some issues in the logs. Yeah. What do you, yeah, of course, man, Fazza. I mean, hey, stop saying. Oh, I said logs. Okay, so little server error. I can't seem to sign up or sign in to the app. What could the problem be? Okay, so little server error. Okay, man. Luckily, we don't have a lot of motion right now. Luckily, we do not have a lot of motion. Okay, let me see if this one actually works. Okay, hold on a minute. Hold up. This is unexpected. This is super unexpected. Okay, for everybody that's currently here, give me like a minute. I'm trying to fix this one thing, which yeah. Okay, so the marathon that I was planning to do, the marathon that I was planning to do. Oh, hold up a minute. Oh, whoa. Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute. Hold up. It might be like hold up. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Is it because of this though? I mean, it shouldn't be though. It shouldn't be. Honestly, it shouldn't be. Okay, we got it. Okay, I know what the issue was. Okay, man, I was like, listen, I was about to send like this whole error or like whole app to David to fix it. Okay, but hey, it was only the credits, man. But it didn't tell me it was the credits, which is okay. I gotta save it on the stream, man. I'll send the recording later to him so he can fix it. Cause god damn, like server error, bro. I was like, yo, what is happening, man? I can't create it or something. Got denied because I forgot the P2P doc. Submitted again 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Man, you're gonna get an answer like do they work on the weekends though? I'm not even too sure, man. Bloom the DIY will replace mobile dev. I mean, it's not about replacing like what was it called again? Like a whole field. Okay. I mean, it's just it makes it easier for technical, like for non-techie business owners to actually launch something of their own. Okay. Oh, yo, dad, you see this? You see the problem that I'm kind of dealing with right now? Right now, this is crazy. This is I'm talking about the appeal. This is crazy. I said thank. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna say thank you again to the gift because I can't even say like I can't even appreciate the gift, man. So we gotta fix it. Oh my god, what a terrible start. God damn. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back. Give me a minute. No, I think it's decent. I think it's all right. Okay, boom, boom. This is the thing. So everybody that's watching elsewhere right now, this is the thing with TikTok, right? Like, listen, it got an amazing algorithm. The algorithm is better than any other algorithm in the space, okay? But the problem is, ooh, the whole like it is super strict, and I do understand why it is super strict. It is TikTok. That's like billions, millions on here. So yeah, but I only said thank you to a gift, which is kind of like ridiculous. But hey, let me get back into it though. Let me get back into it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Back at it again. There we go. Okay. Hopefully TikTok. Listen, I'm sorry about saying thank you and all that. Now we just listen. I'm gonna just keep it like chill, like I did yesterday. Okay. Yesterday, even though we didn't have like the greatest motion, God, like we had like a lot of concurrent viewers, man. Like we got the 50 plus. That was insane. Not like the old days, but we'll get back to the old days for sure. We'll get back. And also, forgot to go live on Discord too, man. Gotta take a look at the Discord as well. What the freak? Yeah, Polar is still. Hold up, I'm a bit quiet. I know. Hold up, TikTok. Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute. Waiting on Polar. Okay, so now I'll be getting this issue. Okay, this is not going according to the plan. I'm not gonna lie. What do you mean? Thank you. What do you mean? Thank you for the invitation, big man. Like Andre, what's the? What do you mean, big man? Like I just reached out my stream, and sometimes it does invite like X amount of people, but sometimes it just doesn't. So hey, I appreciate it though. I appreciate it though. Hey, I'm going to make my own website that works like Bloom. Man, if you do that shit, you gotta have a lot of bank to keep up with the API cost. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but that's good though. That's good though, big man. Come on now. Okay, we're getting back in the groove. We getting back in the groove. Okay, okay. Let me try and be a bit more like a bit more friendly in the chat. Okay, like let me try and be a bit more friendly in the chat. Because last time, okay, maybe I wasn't too friendly. Maybe I was like maybe I was just like what is it called again? Maybe I was just like I can't even say thank you to the people in the chat. So hey, like let's keep it chill though. Let's keep it chill. And I don't know, man. Like back in the days when I was like 3 minutes or 2 minutes, even 1 minute into the stream, we had like 40 people. That was, bro. That was insane prime. Now we're gonna get back to it. Yes, for sure, we're gonna get back to it, man. For sure. Like that's why I got a haircut today, because we gotta keep the motion going. Come on now, come on now. And goddamn, listen, getting a haircut here in the inner city, wow, it is expensive, man. Like compared to the ones I was living in. I was living in, what is it called again? I was living in like not in the capital. If like last year I didn't live in the capital, right? And it was way cheaper like to get a haircut outside the capital, man. But like damn, we here now, closer to the airport, closer to everything. So wait, we might as well work for it. Might as well work for it. Now, hey, 3 minutes in though. 3 minutes in. Can we keep it going though? Can we keep it growing though? You know? I appreciate everybody joining though. I do. But bit of a problem now, bit of a problem because I still haven't gotten a approval from the last restriction. So hopefully nothing crazy is gonna happen. Okay, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Okay, how much do you pay for a haircut? Just curious, bro. Andre, bro, like 400, bro, like 400 DKK $2. That is like 62, bro. 62. Oh my god. And like you cannot listen. The problem is, right? I cannot just like go to another city and get like a cheap haircut, bro. Because why would I do that, man? Just stick with the same one, but it's still like, god damn, you know? Bloom the DIY is yours. Yes, it is. No, whoa, hold up. It is not mine. Hold up. I was tripping, man. Bloom the DIY is founded by David and Syrian. I ran out of credits and had to write 400 lines of code myself. Oh shit, now you're like, damn. What can I say? What can I say? Wow, this is. Whoa, this is super ugly, man. Whoa. Okay, so the auth is supposed to work. Okay, it is supposed to work, but god damn, this is ugly as hell. You know, this this doesn't make no sense. So why? By the way, why is this not in? Okay. Hold up a minute. Is this not my user? Yo, hold up. We gotta check it together. We gotta check it together. Okay, users. But this one doesn't work. Okay, let's reset it. Let's reset it, man. Let's reset it. Maybe it's just like maybe something is wrong. Okay, let me test it one more time. So test gmail.com, Danny123. If I create an account now, I still don't get forwarded. Okay. 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 I can't seem to sign up or sign into the app. Whenever I do, I get these errors in the backlogs. Boom, boom, boom. Annoying, annoying. Yo, Hava, bro, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Now, I'm not too sure though about the good work because we start off with a restriction, man. So I don't know. Hopefully, we get that appealed, but I don't know about it though. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that one. To be 2 hours, but kind of love doing it, man. Dog, you do it for the love of the game, man. Like doing it manually. Shit, that's crazy. El Moderator. No, El Moderator, bro. I appreciate the follow. That's a crazy name, big man. I appreciate that. How can you get good ideas for an app? What do you use? I don't use anything. I use my chat to get good ideas. But think about this. What problem do you have in your everyday life, right? If you have a problem such as, me having dogs, right? That is a problem. I need to learn how to like, raise them, maintain them as well. So that's a problem and I'm building that for it. Now, what kind of problem do you have though? Like, shit, are you lazy? Do you want to get better at life or something? Like, hey, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you create or you could also participate in the trends, right? Like a looks maxing app, Clavicular, he's blowing up right now. And I just think like it's such a big, like it's so lucrative to get into like into building a looks maxing. I'm not even gonna lie. Just gotta do a bit of marketing, just gotta clip Clavicular himself, and then you gotta advertise your own app, right? It's so lucrative, man. Like I would have done it if I had the time, but I just don't have the time. Like, hey, your boy be a bit busy, man. Come on now. Like, hey, wake up, work, shit, eat, work, sleep. Like, hey, looks nice though. Do you mind? Do you mind what this is? Nah, man, this is Bloom the DIY. I cannot type it in the chat, man. I'm sorry. BLOM the DIY. But this is not nice, man. Let me tell you right now. This is not nice. This is like I just got started with this one. That's the thing. Okay. Now if I what could the issue be? I don't understand it, right? I mean, test one, create an account. No. I mean, does it create in the Oh, it does. Oh my god. This is a big problem. I can't even get through the authentication right now. So when I sign up or sign in, that's the wrong one. Can you check the authentication again? Because when I sign up, my user does get saved in the database, but it doesn't forward me to the app. So what could the problem be? And fix it. This is BLOM.DIY. And no, I'm not using AI Studio. This is BLOM.DIY. Need help to edit my lovable SaaS school web app? Can you send the link private message? Haba, man. Lovable SaaS school web app? Oh, hold on a minute. Why not make it on Bloom instead? Like I'm not even kidding. Like you can have a mobile app as well as a web app. Freedom, I appreciate that. The thing is with these vibe coded apps is they're very vulnerable. Man, the thing about this, right, is that AI is getting better every single day. And I mean, I don't know what to say, man. Like it's the same argument that people come up with every single time. It's been months about the vulnerability. Come on now, man. Come on now. You know what I'm saying? Let's just see what it does instead. Let's just see what it does, man. Come on now. Like, listen, if we made an app that had like a lot of security flaws, right? That would take a big toll on the reputation of Bloom itself. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, we can always think about it though. Like, let's shit. I'm trying to keep it shit. Like, hey, listen. I just got a restriction, man. I'm trying to keep it friendly in the chat, man. But sometimes, man, I swear, same questions every single time, or same statements every single time, man. This is shit. Man, if TikTok was just like the Twitter space, that would be nice. You guys know what I'm saying? Like then people wouldn't be so against it. Okay, now that depends, man. That really does depend because listen, there's like two sides to Twitter, man. It's funky as hell. But hey, I'm talking about TikTok here, so god damn, I gotta set this to like mature the mature audience or something. Carlito, what's the question? That was no question, big man. That was no question. It's me crashing out, getting a few clips, and then editing this one, putting it out, sleeping. And also, while the app here is currently warming up, which why does it do this? Why does it do this? Like, is it currently building it? Oh, okay, okay. I think the best way to honestly do this is that we actually show that it's building, like it's building the bundle right now. Because if it's just warming up the preview, you don't even know if the sandbox is like hibernating or something, you know. So gotta give that feedback as well, you know. No, I'm not an ambassador, big man. I work for the company. That's what I do every single day, every single day. Okay. Okay, a better issues here. Hey, we had a better issues. Okay, hold on. So let me sign out again. Like honestly, it should work now. What like there's no problem. It does work. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, this is amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it. Now, hmm. I know we gotta fix the UI here. I know that this is looking so generic and bad. Okay, I know, and I want to change the color theme to be somewhat light. You know, like I don't want to add a switch between dark or light mode. I just want it to be white instead, like a lighter one. So let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What does the current app contain? So explain to me the different app tabs. And also, I know this is kind of overused in a lot of my apps, man. But I'm thinking of actually I'm thinking of doing another app like the Apple Liquid Glass thing on iOS. So I'll probably do that and then keep it like relatively boring for Android and the web app because hey, most people are still gonna get on the iOS app, you know. Oh yeah, I needed to check my little restriction actually. Ooh, this ain't good. Hold up. So if I go to my profile, my TikTok studio, go to my post. I don't got the tools here. No. Okay, hold up. How do I check it on my? Hey, man, TikTok sometimes be playing with me, you know. Man, billionaire, bro. Why you always be saying my name? Listen, I appreciate you tuning in, big man, but you don't gotta say my name every single time, you know. But I appreciate it though. What is that? What is what, big man? Like the ad on a building, or what are you talking about? Okay, I found it. I found it. Okay, okay. Hold up. Look at this. Look at this. Still in progress. So when we get this back up, okay, we're gonna grow even more on the TikTok, and then I'll go live on Discord. Okay, gotta get a bit of motion first. You know, I can't just be speaking with myself all the time. You know, but Billion, what's the question, big man? Bloom is better than Base 44 or Lovable, big man. Lovable, they only create web apps. We create full stack native apps. So basically, universal apps. You got the web app, Android app, and iOS. Same backend, same everything. You know. The guidelines are not letting me ask my question, Carlito, man. I'm sorry about that shit, but like I can't do anything. I can't do anything though. I can't do anything about that. That's the thing, right? Like I'm also having a little bit of a crash out about the restrictions, man. No, I do not. Symbolic, bro. I stream on the Discord, the community that we have for Bloom, and also on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. Trying to get out there, baby. You know. Yes, FT, man. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, let me get into it. Let me get into it. So Authgate, I didn't really need to know this one. I just need to know the screens, right? The main tabs, so home. Okay, I only need these. These are the only ones that I currently need. And then we can always do a redesign on the different like sub pages, okay? But the main tabs, I do need to create a few designs for. What's the best way to do it? Okay, the best way to do it is I go to the code, I go to the plan, and then I send in the goal and the product vision, right? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, boom. Boom. This is the one. Boom. And I put it in here. These are the current app tabs. Boom. Like I'm just thinking, man. I'm just thinking right now. That's why I ain't talking, okay? Because I actually gotta make this app good, man. This is not some sloppy jokes, you know. Boom, boom. I want the design to be Okay, hold on. So I was thinking that we could do something that's kind of like premium, kind of like nice, kind of like wigs, right? But I don't like the design of wigs. I'm not gonna lie, but like something kind of like wigs. But then again, I also want it to be like somehow like Gen Z, like like something like that that's interesting, dynamic. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta think here. I gotta think. Okay, so the color theme needs to be like white and black. I know it's very basic. I know it's very basic. Okay, white and black. Still, man, come on. I like it though, or even purple, man. But the problem is, Syrian doesn't like purple, man. So shit. Maybe we gotta do something else, like white and orange, like a nice deep orange. Maybe we also need to maybe I need to indulge myself in learning the craft of colors. Now now we can do that on stream together, though. We can do that on stream together, you know what I'm saying? So let's do it afterwards. Let's do it afterwards. I want the color theme of the app to be white and orange, and the whole vibe of the app should feel somehow Gen Z, so it should be dynamic and interesting. Yeah, simple like that, simple like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, nope. Oh, forgot to choose the correct model. I might just copy this again, and then let me actually go to a new project again. Boom, boom, and then 3.1 Pro. Now, hopefully we're gonna add 3.1 Pro back to the Bloom, man, because hey, the designing one, I like it though. Listen, man, Carlito, bro, I'm reading the chat now, okay? I'm reading the chat now. Can you touch the written codes as well, or only talk to the AI? Carlito, if you want to talk to the code, talk to the code, touch the code, right? You cannot do it directly like through Bloom itself, but you can actually get a premium plan. You can't get the starter plan, download the source code, do it yourself manually, or you could get what's called the premium plan, sync to GitHub right here, and then use cursor or something like that. Like it's up to you. I know, Khalito, I know, man. The guidelines are kind of like it's kind of harsh, man. Trend symbolic, appreciate the follows. What AI is this? This is Bloom.diy, BLOM.diy. Code is really dead? No, code is not dead, big man. Listen, AI just makes it easier for business people, like non-technical business people that wants to make an app or website or whatever for their own biz, right? So hey, it also makes it faster for technical people as well. I mean, there's so much you could do with it, but code is never really truly dead. It's always going to be a lucrative space for sure. Can you code iOS? Yes, for sure, man. Listen, the stack is convex as the backend, front end is Expo. Guidelines making me sound like a freaking noob. Written lines instead of saying the words, man. I don't know. I don't know. Like I can't really change it. Like I can't go around. Like right now, I'm also battling the what's it called? I'm also battling the little appeal that we got here, which is not a good thing. Okay, which is not a good thing. Okay. Yesterday it took a few minutes to get it approved. Today, oh shit, today it's taking a bit of time. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, man. Hey, to have a successful stream, you just gotta go at it. So that's what I do. That's what I do. Give me like a minute. I'm checking it again. I'm checking it again. Appeal still in progress, bro. God damn. God damn. Like the thing is, if the appeal doesn't go through, like it's not the worst thing in the world. And also, where are my designs? Yes, proceed with the designs. The thing about this, I can keep it going, and we can generate these to clips, okay? And that is not a bad thing. That's a pretty good thing. But when you have a few people to interact with, you're kind of like talking to yourself, and there comes a point in the streaming when you can't freestyle no more. You just can't freestyle no more, okay? So that's something that we gotta we gotta make sure that we get out there. We gotta make sure. Oh, I mean, purple. I mean, hey, listen, let's see how it looks though. So primary is orange, and then neutral is the white. Now, I've never understood why, because I'm not a guy that kind of looks at designs and color palettes and stuff like that. But I never understood why the primary ain't the white one. Like the neutral one is like the whole of the app, right? That's the primary color though. And then this color is being used for like buttons or highlighting a few things. So I don't know why but we can always ask the AI, to get a better understanding of it, and then also to learn colors and stuff like that. Maybe I could do it at the side of my screen right here and then learn about colors while we interact with each other, but I don't know. What AI are you using? I'm using bloom.diy, BLOM.diy. I see a few people getting in here now. I see a few people getting in here. Okay. We're doing something right. We're doing something right. Okay. 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 Appreciate everybody tuning in. We might do something right today. We might do something right today. What are you creating? I am creating Blue. I'm creating a gamified app for my role at Bloom. That's what I do. That's what I do. Bro, made info logger boxer, bro. What the freak does that mean? Yo, listen. What kind of lingo is that? I don't know what that lingo is. Let me tell you that right now. Let me tell you that right now. Okay, YT, Twitch, Kick, what's good, man? Yo, Grims, what up, big man? What up? I'm using BLOM.diy. What's good, yo, Grims? Listen, man, we've had a bit of a rough start to the stream. You know what I'm saying? Man, this is what I'm saying. Symbolic. This is what I'm saying. Like, the thing about this Syrian, he doesn't like the purple shit too. So I gotta like, why don't we like the purple, man? Listen, if AI, listen, this is the thing. If AI didn't like, generate with the purple color and it used like an orange color instead, I swear people would hate on orange. But now they don't like purple because AI uses it too much. What code space are you using? I'm using Bloom.diy, man. That's the space, man. Come on now. But hey, come on now. Are we really hating on too many colors? Oh, too many colors, man. I want to change, okay? Problem here is I do want to change it back to purple. I really do. Well, symbolic, man. I just told you, bro. I just told you, man. If AI just, if it just started with orange, then people wouldn't be so angry about the purple, man. Let me tell you that. But now I gotta change it from purple. That's the problem, right? That's the problem, Larson, bro, I appreciate the follow, man. I appreciate that. Show the game, bro. Show the game, big man. What you mean? Like how to create an app? Like I'll show you. Now you got some crazy lingo though. Let me tell you that. You got some crazy lingo though. I'm not too sure, man. You might be a bot. I'm not too sure. Okay. Colors, way too many colors, man. Way too many colors. I really like the design, but the problem is we need to change the colors. All the app tabs look great, but I only want 2 colors on the designs. So I'm thinking about white as the primary color and then orange as the highlighting color, the secondary color. So let's change it up. Damn. Are you developing multiple apps, David? Multiple apps. That's no, not right now. No, today, like yesterday, we were working on the Poppy app. Today, we are working on an app for myself. Like it's more like for my own role here, Blue, making more gamified, making more fun. Like think about you playing GTA, man. You know what I'm saying? Like you need to level up your character. You need to, get your bank. So here, I'm track my views. Now, the thing about this though is that the live stream views, I don't think we can really do it without having a TikTok API. That's a big problem. Now, I'm not too sure how we're going to get it, but we'll figure out a way. And then there's also the post views, stream views, signups, DC conversions. There's a lot, man. There's a lot that we gotta think about, Now, but the thing is, I need it to look great first, because I'm gonna be honest, man. When you're on social media, the first thing that people see is the design. Okay, you cannot. I mean, if I was only focusing on functionality, I would never get as many viewers as I had in back in the days. So no, I'm not gonna do functionality right now. Like first, gotta make it look good, hook people, and afterwards we can actually take a look at the functionality. Mojave, man, what up? What up? Appreciate the follow, baby, man. What up? Am I late? Hell no, man. 25 minutes. Well, not really 25 minutes, man. I've been streaming for an hour, actually. An hour. So there's about seven, no, there's about 6 or 5 hours left until I'm done with today's stream because I gotta finish this one. Okay, like this is like very important that I'll make it. So hey, you ain't no late, big man. You ain't late, big man. And I know background looking a bit messy today, but I'll fix it for the next live, man. Today it's been exhausting with the dogs, man. Let me tell you that. And they're sleeping right now, man. They be laying right there. And they be laying on each other, man. Come on, I love my dogs, man. Come on now. Okay. Maybe I need to pick up my dogs and then have it like a visual hook for the streams for the people that actually watch it. I did it too first, ending wasting too much time and money at it. Oh shit, it's symbolic. The thing is, I'm not really. The thing here is, I'm not really planning to release this because this is an own internal app, and also this is not a. This is more like marketing. Marketing. I gotta be honest here. It's symbolic. It's more marketing. Smoke less, bro. Smoke less, man. Who this guy in the chat, man? You knew. I don't know who you are, big man. What up? What up? It's like a new guy. Maybe it's not a new guy, man. Maybe it's somebody who changed their name, but I don't know. Who is it, big man? Who is it? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Wow, this is nah. What do you mean by nah, man? Come on now. Nah, listen, this guy is somebody that I know, man. It gotta be somebody that I know. First time seeing you too, man. Something came in the chat, man. Hey, something came in the chat. I started using Bloom yesterday, but my project was too heavy and ran out of credits. Big man, if it's a big project, man, of course, of course. Now we got two different colors. Oh, but do we like it though? I mean, I'm gonna be honest though. I'm gonna be honest though. Do we like it though? Honestly, I don't like it, man. I don't like this shit. This is ugly as hell, right? I mean, not that I can design better, obviously not. But it's way too gamified, man. It's looking like a game, which I don't want it to look like. We okay. I could okay. You know what? Let me go to Moment, bro. Let me go to Moment right now. Let me see what kind of designs they have, and then I'll put it over here. Jung, yo, quadruple zero, man. I appreciate all the follows, man. Come on, I appreciate everybody in the chat. Now, do we have another reference that I can put in? Because this is not it. Honestly, shit. I'm also kind of looking at my own motion going down right now. This is crazy. Whoa, hold up a minute, hold up. So while I'm finding the design, okay, while I'm finding the design, I could look at Sesdi, okay? Sesdi is a local food discovery app, which is a crazy name to have. Sesdi, honestly, bro, that is a ridiculous name to have. Nah, I really do like the design, but it just doesn't match this one. Yeah. Let me do a whole redesign. Let me ask the AI to do a whole redesign, like a whole overhaul. This is not what I was looking for, okay? This ain't the one. This ain't the one, really. Redesign the app tabs because right now they look way too gamified. But I really like the colors, but it's looking way too gamified. I want something that feels sleek, but still Gen Z. It's still interesting and dynamic, but not too gamified. Like I don't know, it's looking like a whole game here. That's the problem. I don't want it to look like a whole game, okay? Like the whole concept can be gamified, but the design itself, nah, man. That we need to fix that. We need to fix that. I'm under my life. Hey, dormant, dormant. No, like big man in the chat. I won't be using your GitHub, bro. Like come on now. Like what are we talking about right now? Like I'll be building something else right now. What you mean about that? What you mean about that? Now, I'll tell you guys this one thing. This is a bit risky to do. I will be honest. This is a bit risky to do. But the thing is, the last time that I hit a mount, no, that I hit like a whole, what's it called again? The last time that I was at my peak, I actually did restart it 3 times. That's the thing. Okay. Can I do it now? I'm not sure, but I will give it one more try. One more try for the people here in the TikTok. Okay. Just wait, one last try while we're still working on the design, which is interesting. Which is same design right here. Okay, Gemini, you'll be playing with me right now. I know. Or do we keep it going though? Because I do see that we kind of grow in the views, but the problem is it's way too slow. 31 minutes, not even at 500. Oh, yeah, shit. Maybe I keep it going. Maybe I keep it going. Okay. Maybe I was speaking way too fast, man. Maybe I was speaking way too fast, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. Come on now. And also, Gemini, like, god damn. It's been doing this thing like a lot recently, like just showing one page, and then obviously it's gonna create another design which I can use for my app here. But still, this is a bit messy though, Gemini. If you're watching this one, Google, you gotta fix it, man. You gotta fix it. What are you making, Jason? Think about this. Think about this. My role at Bloom, I'm gamifying it. Okay, basically, I gotta track my stats. I gotta track the socials, also the official socials. So yeah, and then also making milestones, goals, progression graph for myself. But I'll show you how it looks in a second. Right now, I know it's ugly. I know it is ugly, man. You just gotta wait for the design. You gotta wait for it, okay? Because Gemini is taking its sweet time. Okay. Afterwards, we'll work on the whole functionality. Stitch is crazy sometimes, bro. It is like crazy slow. Yes. you know which AI are you using? Bloom.diy. What's the difference between Replit and Bloom.diy? We build full stack native apps, universal apps. Basically, we use Convex as the backend. We use Expo as the front end. You can integrate with so many components because we do build on Convex. And we have the multiplayer collaboration feature, so you can basically test your app with another person and it updates in real time. Shit, that's a lot. That's a lot, That's a lot. Can I use Claude? Try and use Claude, Mail. Try and use Claude to build a full stack native app. Like, let me know. Well, Mulim, I got another guy that's going to switch from Replit to Bloom. So you can ask him. You can ask him instead. It's in the Discord. No, it is not dumb, Poppy. I need to build on it myself. Like, I need to build it solo. That's the thing. Cause hey, I did use 3 days on it, and then I thought I was about to be done, but then I got a few issues to the whole mobile app. So gotta do it offline, man. Gotta do it offline. But I'll announce it though for sure. Like I gotta do an update like day 4. I gotta do it day 4 actually. Shit, I forgot that. Yo, bro, Chacho, man. Listen, Mike, you're the chat, right? You're the chat, all right? Hey, listen, I don't remember you, big man. Like I just remember you once saying bro Chacho, and then I couldn't remember like the rest of it. But hey, come on now, really. You know what? Everybody in the chat currently, okay? Everybody that's currently in the chat, I'll do a very risky thing. I'll do a restart. Have you built any other successful apps in the past, Kia? Well, I've actually, listen, I've got about 400 people asking me about this solo leveling app that I created a few last year. Last year, I created a solo leveling app. Um, I never finished it because it does take a bit of time to finish an app. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. So yes, that I would say that's pretty successful, but I will probably continue on it. This one looks interesting. You're a good salesman, man. I'm not a salesman at all, big man. Come on now, listen. You can call the salesman the people that are in the what is it called in the sales department, man. I'm not the one though, but I appreciate the kind words. You know what I'm saying? This one looks interesting. Big man, interesting. It ain't the right word. This is magnificent, bro. Take a look at this. Now, is it gonna look exactly like this one? No, I'm pretty sure it's not. But that is why I'm giving it the HTML code as well. Okay, so let me get into it. Let me get into it. Shit. Okay. Can you redesign the homepage to look exactly like the reference image? I've even given you the HTML code. Make sure that all the functions work within the new design. My course? Yo, male eater, my course. Let me take a look at this, man. Who this monkey in my chat, bro? Course? You be looking at course? Your profile picture is to the side? Nah, big man. Hey, listen. You're lucky this is the last one, man. You're too crazy with that shit. Kia, appreciate the follow, man. Now, man, you're lucky I'm gonna end it, man, because you crazy male eater. You funky ass guy, bro. Let me tell you that. Convex and Expo. Okay, doing it one last time. Okay, like what is the saying? The saying is that the third time is the lucky time, right? That there's a saying about that. So what I'll do right now, I'll do it again. I'll do it again. Maybe I need to close down my TikTok studio just to make sure that the app was closed, and then we're gonna open it up again. Okay, let me quickly see. Let me quickly see because I cannot really keep going in the Discord. Like for the people that are watching here, I cannot really start in Discord right now and then give out some freebies to the people that are watching because am I gonna talk to one guy? Like, you guys know what I'm saying? Okay, so I opened my TikTok again. Okay, another thing about this is that I would have just done this through another software, but I really can't. You got to do it through their studio because wow, either they're very strict with their approvals, or I don't know about that. Like we got to see. Okay, so I'm changing the whole name, building, building, and building an AI. No, building apps with AI. Yeah, building apps with AI. That's a pretty good title, man. That's a pretty good title. Okay, building an app for my role at Bloom. Request your app. Okay, this one should be pretty good. Okay, save it, and then I'll go live for another time. Okay, hold up. Go live now. Listen, for the people watching, I do not recommend you guys do the same thing that I do. Okay, like I'm only restarting because we didn't have a lot of motion at the start of the stream, which is a big problem. Okay, because if you don't have a lot of motion at the start, like you ain't gonna get motion the rest of the stream. That's the problem. That's the problem. So hopefully we can keep it going. Hopefully, maybe I gotta do like another post here and there, to get it growing. Like let me see, because I got my phone right here, which I cannot use actually because I'm showing my screen, which I cannot use because I'm currently showing my screen. What's good, bro? Yo, John, big man, what's good? Hey, listen, been having like a chill time today, like a chill time. It's gonna be a long live. I'm building, a pretty important app because I'm building an app around my role at Bloom. So we got to gamify a little bit. And then yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the next 5 or 6 hours. Okay, sitting here drinking my water, looking at the chat. That's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. Database big man, listen, you can check your whole the data. Actually, let me show you. So if you go to the convex backend, you can check it here, big man. You can check everything here. The data is all here. I mean, these are all the users. I mean, I didn't really do anything about this one, but this is it, big man. And one day, actually soon, you will be able to put your own what's called your own convex backend if you like into the app if you wanted to. And in the future, when you want to scale it to like millions or billions, okay, billions, who knows? Who knows? Maybe someday a $1 billion company is gonna grow from Bloom itself. Now you can use the convex R2 component because we are building on convex. So you got 1,000 integrations, man, like or components you can use. Integration, same thing. So hey, I will show you though. I will show you in today's live. Now, problem is navigation bar. Oh my god, is it supposed to look like this? Okay, I think it is. Oh, I know, guys. Listen, I know this shit ain't looking good. I know it ain't looking good. Okay, like give me like a little bit. Okay, so the goals. This is the goals, right? Yeah, this is the one. I know it's not looking good. Okay, I know the navigation bar is kind of looking funky. I will fix it. I will fix it. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom. Redesign the goals app tab to look like the reference image. I've even given you the HTML code as well. And also redesign the navigation bar to have this to follow the same theme as the homepage and goals page. And make sure that the new That didn't make no sense. Make sure that the functions work within the new design in the goals tab. What do you think of Xcode? I don't use Xcode, big man. I don't know. Like, no thoughts on that. Let me be honest. Lee Gunner, appreciate the follow, big man. Yo, Sarah, what up, big man? Like, just did a quick reach of the stream. You know, we like, the start of the stream was kind of funky, okay, kind of funky. You know, if I haven't paid to use Bloom yet, and I have to launch, and I launch an app, how long does it stay active? What are you talking about, John? So you want to use Bloom to launch an app, but you don't want to pay for it. What's the question here though, John? I'm not too sure if I follow along. Big man, can you hey, reformulate that one, big man? Let me know. Cause hey, your boy doesn't understand it. Ziggy, I'm using bloom.diy, bloom.diy. Does Bloom work with Apple Store? Lee Gunner, we basically use Expo. So we're gonna use Expo launch to basically launch the apps. And Expo, I think they've launched like thousands of of apps, 10,000 apps. 20 maybe, I don't know, like we use Expo for that one, you know. But if you're talking about the quality and stuff like that, it's really up to you, you know. Like when you publish it or when you get it for review, right, they're gonna give you a bit of feedback if there's something wrong with the app, and then you just continue working on it from Bloom itself, and then you can, you know, post your updates, post your whatever from Bloom instead of doing it manually. Big man, this is bloom.diy, blom.diy. Shit, man. Like, I don't know. I mean, listen, we might just keep it going like this, okay? We might just keep it going like this. Hopefully, we're gonna get rewarded by the algo, but who knows though? Who knows? The free credits that are given when I first sign up. Oh shit, you're still your app is still gonna be active and all that, you know. But the free credits though, I'm not too sure if you can even build a really complex app with the free credits. That's the problem, you know. It's lovable. Yo, Jabo, I think you gotta open your eyes. You got a dog as a profile picture, man. Come on now, Jabo. Man, you crazy as hell, man. Come on now. That's crazy. Yo, get some glasses, man. Come on now. That's ridiculous. That's crazy to say, you know, in the TikTok chat even. You know what is not ridiculous? My motion on TikTok. Gotta wait another day. Ah, that's the thing, man. Like it really does. It really does. Like, wow, it does really punish you, man. After one restriction, like damn. You know, also depends on the day, man. It might be like too early for some people. I don't know. Is Bloom only for Android? Does it do iOS too? Yes, we do universal, man. So Android, iOS, and web. And the reason is we have the same backend. We use Expo, so React Native, TypeScript. So hey, that's the reason why, big man. So you're gonna be able to build basically three apps. You know, three apps. Same backend, same everything. You know, a web app, Android, and iOS. You know. Did you build it? No, I did not build it, Lee. Man, you're looking at what I do every single day. No, 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 no. I ain't. I didn't do that. You know. How does it integrate DB? How do you handle it yourself? No, Siggy, you don't handle it yourself. Now, right now, we do handle it for you. I mean, you can even take it your shit right here. Take a look at this. The comments backend, and your data is right here. But the thing is, though, if you do want to scale it in the future, you can, like, since we do build on Convex, you can use the R2 component from Convex itself and scale, you know? But that's gonna be in the future though. Is Cloud Code good? I think it's pretty decent, man. Now you'll be asking the wrong guy. Let me tell you that you'll be asking the wrong guy about that. Let me just tell you. But I think it's pretty decent. I use it sometimes to like do my remotion, but now we just don't have a lot of we don't have enough time now. That's the problem. Maybe I gotta optimize my day better, but again, ah, ah, we gotta see. We gotta see, you know, we gotta see. Is it stuck? Okay, boom. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Redesign the socials app tab to look like the reference image. I've even given you the HTML code. Make sure that the functions work in the new design. You talked about Bloom looking for people to come work for them. What qualifications do you need? It's very simple. Yes, Lee, I've told you before, big man. I've told you before. Like I answered that the first time that you asked me, you know. But yes, we do, John. The thing is though, we're looking for all the talents all around the world, right? But listen, if you're just a normal guy, a normal Joe, looking for looking for an engineering job or something, and you don't have something else to offer to the team, then your chances won't be good. Like you gotta have something going on for yourself. You gotta have a talent for something. Shit. Yeah, I mean, we get a lot of people applying actually, and a lot of people also ask me privately about this, and I always be saying that you got to have something going on for yourself, got to have a talent, because hey, that's how it is, like it's coming from like straight from David, so hey, like hey, try your luck though, and you can also build like a lot of projects on Bloom itself to really showcase like your skills with Bloom, and then maybe also find a few flaws around Bloom that you could fix, right? That's something you could do as well. So hey, it's try it, big man. Try it, like you never know. You never know. Comsy, I appreciate the follow, big man. I appreciate that. Where you from? I'm from Denmark, big man. But your boy's Vietnamese though. You can see it on the sexy Asian skin, man. Like, hey, Crow's father, man. Hey, who's this monkey in my chat? Thanks for that, man. I got you. I got you, big man. I got you. Problem is, though, I mean, problem is, man, I'm gonna be honest, though. I'm gonna be honest. Like, it's hard, man. It's hard. And there's also a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure here, actually. And it's very intense as well, What about being creative? I take it you have to be very techy to get a job. What do you mean? What do you mean, big man? Like, are you talking about what are you talking about? Like a creative job, or are you talking about like a technical job? And again, no, if you want to listen, you don't have to be a technical guy to get a creative job here at Bloom, but it does help you a lot. Okay, look at me, I'm not technical, man. Like I do know, I do know a little bit, a very like a tiny amount. Okay, which sometimes, man, I'll be making people think that I'm taking, man. I'm not though. Okay, but man, it is a plus though. It's a plus, man. How to manipulate AI? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you thinking about manipulate AI, bro? Like, what? What? What's the yo? What are you thinking though? What are you thinking? What do you want to manipulate AI, man? What's the goal here? Let me know about it, and then I can tell you, because that is kind of like yo, that's out my league, man. Let me tell you that's out my league. Let me tell you that, okay? Look, it ain't my league, Okay, okay. Do some bad, man. What are you talking about? Do some bad shit, man. Come on now, do some good shit and then earn some money, man. What are you talking about? Waste of my time, man. Come on now, Sultan. Get on my chat, man. That's a waste of my time. What you use? I use bloom.diy, bloom.diy. I cannot type in the chat. I'm sorry, man. I just can't do it, like I'm scared of the restrictions, man. We can't keep it going like that. We gotta be a bit careful about that. Redesign the progress app tab to look like the reference image. I've even given you the HTML code. Make sure that the functions work within the new design. I'm 17, bro. What should I do to make money? Man, you're 17. I don't know. Listen, this is no advice coming from me, okay? And also, by the way, I didn't study winter. I did not study, big man. I dropped out when I was 17 years old. I had my own business for 2.5 years. I learned sales at an IT company. What else did I do? Shit, and then I got into making my own vids. Afterwards, your boy's now here. You could do it too, Winter. But hey, I'm not saying you should drop out. I'm just saying that you could do it too. Everybody can do it. It's fun. I do it with Claude sometimes. Okay, Sultan, man. I think this ain't the life for you, big man. But like 17, you want to make some money? Shit, man. How about you make a business around cleaning windows? And like honestly, bro, there's so much money to be made. And hey, what can I say? There's so much you can do, right? You get connections, clean those windows, get a bit of bag, build your own software. You could use Bloom to build like universal apps, but again, am I biased? Yes, but that's what you could do. Claude or Bloom, both. Why not both, man? Like, like why do we gotta choose? Like, how did I get into it? Well, the first thing that I did, Winter, was that I did some UGC back in the days. I mean, UGC, right? Everybody basically does UGC. I don't know why we call it UGC though. It's just content, man. Like, let's be real, it's just content, back in the day. And then I was like, shit, I cannot, like, what else can I do for Lovable that they don't already achieved, like how much more can I grow it? What can one Asian guy do, so I was like, yeah, I gotta try that a startup, and then I found Bloom, and David, he reached back out to me because I listen, I was supposed to do all this kind of content stuff, all this kind of systems, but then like AI, like really, like then we got into it, and AI is just not like the content, right? AI generated content is just not crazy. The brain rot content is amazing, right? But AI UGC though, oh, that is not the one. It's not the one, man. Not the one. Maybe like for Facebook, should I stream on Facebook as well? Like Loki, that could be good. Obi Wattle, bro, yet another vibe coder. Who this monkey in the chat, man? I see your name, by the way. I see your name. Who this monkey in my chat? What's the most important thing in an app? Functionality. Do you release these apps that you built? No, not yet. But I'm going to release a puppy app that I did build the last 3 days. Yes, that I'm going to publish that one for sure. Because, hey, I'm gonna use it as well. Terrace LLJ. I appreciate the people in the chat, man. Come on, I appreciate the people in the chat. And I know I'll be showing off my phone right here, but the problem is the reason why I'm not really working on my phone is because gotta work on it for my PC first, man. And also my phone is like getting hot, Yo, Jin, you say it every single time, man. You say it every single time. Like I appreciate it, big man. I do, I really do. But like, you don't have to say it every single time. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it though. I appreciate it though. But what do you do with these apps? Do you sell them? No, I do not sell them, man. Hell no. Could I create an AI agency around creating apps? Sure, but do I sell them? Hell no. Hell no. You're looking at what I do every single day. Yes, they do have backend. Andy, take a look at this. Boom. Convex backend. Yes. Expo frontend. Yes. Everything, man. Everything. Let me tell you that. I need a suggestion. How you give first prompt to AI when start building anything like for app? Oh shit, for app. This is it. Look at this. I gave it my thoughts. I brain dumped what I wanted to build. Okay, and then I told the AI to create me a plan, and this was the plan that it created for me. This is the one. And then I just told it to go ahead. You can also just brainstorm just brainstorm first with the AI. Like it can ask you a few human in the loop questions, and you can go on from there. But I just gave it like I like the V1 plan. So wait. Now on to the next one, the last profile. Okay, now this is the last design I'll do. I swear for like the next 20 minutes. Okay, cause I do gotta what is it called? I do gotta make sure that all the functions work. But I need to have like an okay design for people to stay. That's the thing. That's the thing. Zero, bro. Ser du glir å se det går, man. Kom nå litt. Redesign the profile app tab to look like the reference image. And I've even given you the HTML code as well. Make sure that the functions work within the new design. Are you using Claude? I am not using Claude, big man. No, I'm not. This is Bloom.diy. BLOOM.diy. Which plan you have with Bloom? Sultan. I have the company employee plan. That's what I have, big man. That's what I have. So hey, I be enjoying it though. Okay. Okay, honestly though. I know I was supposed to do this marathon, this 6-hour marathon, right? But is it worth it that we take like a little break of 30 minutes, and then we can get it back on the algo? Is that what we should do? Like, shit, maybe we should do it. I'm not too sure. Like, shit. I gotta think here. I gotta think here. Super annoying, man. Why do you personally use this software, Mojo? Work for the company. So that's the reason why. Yes, we need your brain. Take a break. Whoa. What do you mean? What do you mean you need a break? You need that. What do you mean? Rio. Listen, man, I don't understand why people start with saying my name. I don't understand why people say my name. Just ask the question first, man. Come on now. No, there's no No, no. Yo, Trav, I appreciate that. Milan, appreciate the follow. No, there's no weekly challenge this week, man. Like the problem is like it's great that we can grow it. Okay, it's great that we have few people that can join the weekly event, but I we need more people, man. We need more participants, so more people. So no weekly event today. Maybe next week though. Like I mean, listen, we gotta hype it up though. So maybe next weekend for sure. No, next week, no weekend, man. I'm not gonna work next weekend because I gotta do something next weekend. Yo, K Trap, appreciate that. Now, should I do it? Honestly, ah, I hate doing restarts, man. I really do. Okay, you want more Claude connectors? Shit, I think you'll be asking the wrong guy. I think you'll be asking the wrong guy. Now, oh, that's the thing. Okay. I think we gotta do it. Okay. So this is the part one, and then we need to have the part two. Okay, that is what I'll do. So I need to spam post, and afterwards I'll get back in like 15 minutes or something. You talking about the DM that you sent me? I'll check it out later. We are like busy, big man, busy. But hey, listen, I'll do it. Okay, listen, this is what I'll do. Okay, so I might need to extend the live. Shit, I need to do it. I'll extend the live by like 30 minutes, okay? And then we'll end it off, okay? So now gotta do a quick restart of like 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Cause even though it's good for recording, it still just isn't emotional. We gotta keep it going. We gotta grow. You guys know what I'm saying? So I'll do that right now and I'll be back in 30 minutes. No, in 15 or 30 minutes. This thing about TikTok, man. This is the thing. So start my virtual camera, boom, start my live here. And for the people on the YouTube, I know there's 5 watching right now. I'll be back in 15. Because yeah, gotta do a quick restart and then we'll get back to it, okay? A bit annoying, I know, a bit annoying, but hey,